When you think powerful gaming rig, you probably imagine a giant RGB tower roaring under your desk. But 2025 proves that small can be mighty. These are the best mini gaming PCs of 2025. Pocket-sized monsters that pack desktop-grade performance into palm-sized enclosures. If there's one machine that completely breaks expectations, it's the Minisforum Neptune HX99G. This isn't your average mini PC. It's a full-blown gaming beast built around the Ryzen 9 6900HX processor, paired with a Radeon RX 6600M graphics card. Together, they deliver buttery smooth performance in modern AAA titles at 1080p and even push 1440p without breaking a sweat. Despite its small form factor, it's built like a tank, with plenty of ports. Dual HDMI, dual USB 4, multiple USB 3.2 ports, and space for 2 PCIe or SATA SSDs. That means serious upgradability in a chassis that could sit quietly next to your controller. Thermals? Surprisingly good. It stays whisper quiet while handling heavy loads, thanks to an advanced dual-fan cooling system. If you're building a minimalist setup or want console-sized gaming performance, the HX99G is the machine that proves you don't need a tower to dominate. You'll find it in the description, one of the most capable compact gaming PCs you can buy right now. Next, we've got the Beelink SER7, which nails that perfect middle ground between sleek design and serious muscle. Powered by the Ryzen 7 7840HS, this little box uses the Radeon 780M integrated graphics, one of the most powerful iGPUs on the market. You can comfortably run esports titles like Valorant, Apex Legends, and Rocket League in smooth 1080p, no external GPU required. But what really sells the SER7 is the refinement. The chassis feels premium and compact, and inside it uses vapor chamber cooling for better thermal control and quieter performance. You get USB 4 support, fast Wi-Fi 6, and the ability to connect multiple 4K displays, all while staying whisper silent. It's the kind of mini PC that fits perfectly in an office setup during the day and transforms into a gaming rig by night. If you want a system that's cool, quiet, and effortlessly capable, the SER7 should be on your shortlist. The Beelink SER7 proves that small-form computing can look good and play hard. Check the link below for details. For players who want a mix of value and power, the Geekom A6 is a standout in 2025. It's powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 6800H with Radeon 680M graphics, and that combo gives you the perfect balance of gaming, streaming, and everyday performance. The design is compact, but classy. An aluminum body, efficient cooling, and plenty of ports for your peripherals. Out of the box, it often ships with 32GB DDR, 5 RAM, and a 1TB NVMe SSD, so you're getting plenty of horsepower and storage from the start. It can comfortably handle 1080p gaming, light creative work, and even emulation up to PS3 and Switch levels. It's quiet, power efficient, and ready for multitasking. A true all-rounder for those who want plug-and-play performance without any fuss. For gamers and creators who need performance in a tiny frame, the Geekom A6 is a mini machine with major potential. If you lean toward Intel's ecosystem, the Geek Plus NUC12, also known as the Asus Wall Street Canyon, is still one of the most balanced mini PCs around. It runs on a 12th gen Intel Core i7-1260P, a chip with 12 cores and 16 threads that's built for multitasking and light gaming. The Intel Iris Xe graphics won't replace a dedicated GPU, but it handles titles like Fortnite or CSGO surprisingly well. The compact body, built-in Vis-A mount, and whisper quiet cooling make it ideal for mixed use, gaming, creative editing, and office productivity. With 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD, and Wi-Fi 6, it's ready to roll straight out of the box. This one's perfect for players who want a minimalist desktop or a living room setup that doubles as a streaming box. If you want reliability, balance, and quiet confidence, the Geek Plus NUC12 delivers exactly that. Let's wrap up with the Axmagic Mini PC 11 Pro. Proof that you don't need deep pockets to enter the world of mini gaming PCs. It runs on Intel's N97 processor, which outperforms many older N-series chips like the N100 and N95. It's paired with 16GB DDR4 RAM and 256GB SSD, and despite being marketed as a business mini PC, it's shockingly capable of casual gaming and emulation. You can run classics, indie titles, and retro emulators smoothly, and it even supports dual 4K displays for multitasking. At this price point, it's more of a value pick. Ideal for students, small desk setups, or anyone wanting a secondary compact PC that doesn't compromise on essentials. The Axmagic Mini PC 11 Pro brings surprising punch for the price. Check it out in the description below. Mini PCs have come a long way. What once used to be underpowered boxes for web browsing are now genuine gaming systems that rival mid-range desktops. From the Minisforum HX 99G's discrete GPU dominance to the B-Link SER7's silent integrated power and the Ace Magic's budget magic, 2025 is the year small form factors take over the gaming scene. Whether you're setting up a clean, minimalist battle station, a living room console replacement, or a portable game streaming hub, one of these little beasts has your name on it. Those were the best mini gaming PCs of 2025. Which one fits your setup? Drop your favorite in the comments, hit like if you love compact power, and subscribe. We've got more awesome tech roundups coming your way every week.